Hello everyone present here. Today I am going to say something about Telangana's culture and heritage. A small PPT is presented on your screen. Telangana. Telangana, besides begins India's youngest state, has a legacy of about 5,000 years. The state of Telangana is the respective of the Deccan Plateau and its heritage from its immortal from the royal Hindu kings to the Nazims. Hyderabad has been flourished in every aspect to its fullest. Telangana state has long been a meeting place for diverse language and culture and other called of as south of north and north of south. It is also known for its Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb and the capital Hyderabad as a miniature India. The Telangana culture is a mixture of Telugu traditions and Persian traditions from the Mughals and Nazims. Language. About 76% of population of Telangana speak Telugu and 12% speak Urdu. 12% speak other languages. Festivals. Telangana is well-known state for its festivals like Eid Fitr, Bakr Eid, Ugadi, Dasara, Makar Sankranti, Shri Ram Navami, Hanuman Jayanti, Rakhi Purnima, Vinayaka Chaviti, Gagulu Panchami, Krishnashtami, Deepavali, Mokutu Ekadashi, Kartika Purnima, Guru Purnima. Regional festivals Bonalu, Bathukama, Yadapayal, Samaka Saralama. Literature Muhammad Quli Qutab Sahab was the first Sahib Diwan Urdu. Other poets of Telangana from the early era include Kachela Gopana or Bhakta Badasu, Gona Bunna Reddy, Palakuriki Samunatha, Marita Suri, and Huli Kutki Bharasaka. Samala Sadiswa was selected for the Kendra Sahitya Puraskar distinction. His book Savarnilu on the subject of Hindustani classic music won the award for the year 2011. Clothing. Telangana is the home to some of the finest historical clothing making, fashion and dyeing tradition of the world. Its richest cotton production, which its innovative plant dye extraction history stand next to the diamond mining traditions. Women wear sari in the most part of the state, langa voni salwar. Man includes the traditional dhoti, also known as pancha. The Hyderabadi sherwani was a dress of choice of the Nizams of Hyderabad and Hyderabadi nobles. The Hyderabadi sherwani is longer than the normal sherwani, reached below the knees. The scarf called a dupatta is sometimes added to the sherwani. Pilgrimages in Telangana. Yadagiri Gutta, Banchalaram Temple, Sri Raja Rajeshwaram Temple, Birla Mandir Hyderabad, Basara Ganna Swami Temple, Mecca Masjid, Medang Church at Telangana. Performing art. Telangana is also known for performing different type of arts like dance. Perini Sivatadam or Perini Thadava is an Asian dance form from Telangana which has been revived in recent times. Like dance, Telangana has a diverse variation of music from the Kartikan music to the folk music. And Ogu Katha also. Ogu Katha is a traditional folk singing, praising and narrating the story of Hindu gods and Berappa Yalama. Visual arts painting. Nirmal painting are a popular form of painting done in Nirmal in Alidabad district. The painting have a golden hues. The region is well known for its Golconda and Hyderabad painting styles, which are branches of Deccani painting. Sculptures. Ramada Temple. It lies in a valley at the Parliament village of Venkantapuram Mandalam. Cultural sites. Telangana has many museums which depicts the culture of erstwhile kingdoms of the state. The Salar Jung Museum is an art museum located on the southern bank of Musi River. Thank you. A small presentation by Paramanyam, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bangana.